I hope. Is it audible now? Can you hear me? Is it fine? All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Doni. Thank you, Faisal. All right. Thank you. Actually, there was a problem. Some settings we have to do. So I'm not means so good in this technical things. So I'm really sorry that. So I'll just start once again what I was telling to all of you. So the thing is that, okay, this is the Forge Pro program for all the students who wants to study in Germany, especially bachelors, engineering and science students. So there is a Forge Pro, means it's a special program in collaboration with Goethe Institute and DAAD. You know DAAD, D-A-A-D, DAAD. It's a German academic exchange services, you can see here. So there are some universities who are project partner, and these programs have been started in Egypt, India and Mexico, in only 3 countries as a pilot project. So it means that the students of these countries can study in Germany in the STEM courses. STEM means science, technology, engineering, it comes under the technique, and medicine, also mathematics. So if you are interested in studying bachelor's program over there, you know there is a big difference between India and German school system. We have a 12 years of education, they have 13 years. So in order to bridge that 1 year gap, they have started this project in which they will train you in your respective stream, plus they will also enhance your German language efficiency level. So you can see there are some universities who are the part of this project partner. University of Applied Science Aachen, TU Berlin, well reputed university. Apart from that, Ruhr Open University in Hagen, Center for Academic Test Development. So these are the partners of this program. This is called Vorsprung. Vorsprung means it's a jump from India to Germany. Means there is a jump, they will help you. How can you come to Germany and start your studies over here? So I'll just open the website. I'll put up this link in the description so that you can have a look in detail and understand the things which are given here. So suppose you open Technical University of Berlin, TU Berlin. So this is the interface of the university, TU Berlin. I have opened some other links also, I'll show you that. So this is online program Vorsprung. Okay, this is, you can see this is the page, and in case any doubt you can write here. Online application portal, entrance examination, you will have all kind of details. See, it's a digital preparatory program for prospective students who are interested in STEM studies. Here you can see STEM studies. STEM means science, technology, engineering and medicine in Germany, and would like to prepare themselves in their home countries beforehand. It is designed for international students who have a German language efficiency level of B2. It means you must have at least B2 level of German and do not direct access to study at a German university. Means you have done your German level till B2 and you don't have access to study in Germany. So they will help you in that things. Okay, the participants will be trained in mathematics, computer science, chemistry and physics, and take their language skills to the next level, C1. So they will help you how can you get into the German university. It's going to be very, very helpful. I'll put up the link in the description so that you can have a detailed look. And this is, you can see Studienkolleg, International Studienkolleg program. Many of you are not aware about the Studienkolleg. This is very, very essential and crucial for all the bachelor students, especially from India. So if you are also one of them who wants to study in Germany and wants to do bachelor's, but somehow there are some problems, gap year and something that, so you can log in here. This is called Studienkolleg of TU Berlin. Okay, you can write to them. There is a contact person, team and contact person. See, there is an entire team. So you can talk to them. They will help you out. You can write to them, and this is the right time. Okay, B2 certificate you must have. If you have B2 level German, so you can do that. If you don't have, so please do that as early as possible. And you can see the email address of these team members. You can write to them anytime. They will answer you. So these are the things I wanted to tell you, and this is very, very essential. 30th June, Bewerbungsfrist means deadline is 30th June, but you may ask them if you are still eligible, or if you can if they can extend the deadline, because right now the scenario is really dangerous across the globe. the condition is not so good, especially in India also. They are aware about the pandemic situation we are going through right now. So you can write to them, request them if you are really interested to study over there. So this is going to be very, very helpful for all the students who are watching this video. So this is very, very essential information I wanted to pass on you. So this is the DAAD program, okay, German Academic Exchange Service. This is I wanted to tell you. So now I'll just look at your, yes, yes, this is online course, this is online course, you can study, this is online course, this is online course. And next thing that I would like to tell you today, for all the students, bachelor's or master's, how can you apply in German universities? You know, the application process has already started from 15th of May and it will be for another 1 month. So if you are looking for admission in Germany, in German university, so I'll just telling you this portal, studying Germany. You must be aware about this DAAD. Again, I will put up the link in the description, you can read out, but I'm just telling you. Suppose you want to do graduation, you are okay, study in Germany, graduate, okay. So just click here. Many of you have already visited this website, so you can find so many details step by step, okay. First steps, academic requirements, German language requirements, okay, applying to universities in Germany, and cost and associate studying in Germany. What are the cost? Many of you are not aware about the expenses, okay, how much you have to spend. Although the tuition fees zero, but there are some semester contribution that goes from 150 euro till 200 euro, depend upon the universities. So all these details you can get from here. And then German language requirements, we'll just see test DAF, DSH or Goethe Institute certificates B2 or above level, okay, is considered. So that's why I always say that if you are aiming for a university in Germany, so you must have at least B2 or above level. So if you have this kind of level, you can easily do that and you can study over there in Germany. It's not a big deal, just you need to prepare accordingly, okay. You have to prepare for that. All right, so I'll just read out your comments also, so that, yes. So next thing, I'm just telling you that, so now I have started this webinar today. I was also having this webinar, but there was some technical issue, so I could not connect through the Zoom meeting. So I am planning to have a one-to-one session twice a week with one student every time, so that you can ask your doubts, you can ask your queries, whether it's related to jobs in Germany or study in Germany. So I will have a one-to-one interaction, 15 to 20 minutes interaction, just a service from my side for all of you who are watching and who are here on this platform with us at German class. So today was the same, I was just giving a try, but somehow, as you have seen, there was an audio problem, so we could not connect well. But next meeting I am planning to have on Saturday, coming Saturday. I'll just post at what time we are going to have. So you just have to write me a mail with your name, city and your level of German and your questions, okay, what are the problems and what do you want basically from these sessions, what do you want to achieve. So that session will be uploaded on the channel, so that the students who could not join or could not watch the session, they can watch it later and get some information. So this is live session I'm going to have from coming Saturday onwards, one-to-one live session on Zoom meeting. It will be live session with me. So this is the thing that I wanted to tell you. Okay, so no more questions. I'm seeing that. All right, everything is fine. So this was the information. It is going to be very, very useful. All right. So this is very, very useful information. So now any doubt you can write here, otherwise, so these are the program I wanted to tell you. I have already told you about this website DAAD. You can search out and find out the details, how can you reach and how can you start your studies in Germany, checklist for study in Germany, internship, study program, everything is available, everything is available, okay. All right, so that's all I wanted to tell you through this today's class. We did not study yesterday also, we could not do that due to some issues, so today I am just having this session for all of you. So I hope you liked it, and in case you are interested for the Zoom live session, so you can write to me mail. I'll just take up only one student for the one session, and please write your questions, your city, your name properly, and your level of German language, so that we can start and I can answer your questions in detail. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you soon and keep watching German class. Till then, bye bye. Take care.